following is a short tutorial on other forms of plagiarism not yet covered in the previous videos. According to Howard, the sources you should cite include not only printed materials, but also electronic sources. Most students by now know that if you take information from Wikipedia, or SparkNotes, or any of these online sources, you should cite it. However, the same is true for social media and for images that you take from the internet. So if you take something from Facebook or Twitter, somebody's idea, say, in a blog, or if you go online and download images for a presentation or to include in your paper, you must cite all this information. In short, everything that you take from any source must be cited. Another form of plagiarism is what is known as self-plagiarism. When you reuse work from previous semesters or when you use the same paper for various classes, you are committing self-plagiarism. Secondly, when you work collaboratively with your peers, you are responsible for citing their work when you use it in your own writing. On the other hand, there are some things you do not need to cite. When you incorporate common knowledge into an essay, you do not need to cite it. Information such as famous historical dates, for example, July 4th is American Independence Day, or common scientific facts, such as 70% of the earth is covered in water, do not require citations. The trick, however, is to figure out what constitutes common knowledge and what is specialized information. Overall, the thing to take away is that when you're in doubt, always produce quotation marks and citations. As Howard says, under-citation is plagiarism. Over-citation is just an error. Be assured that it is not shameful to show that you have done research. Always cite your sources so that you can start a dialogue with your professor. If your source is not a strong one, for example, Wikipedia, this will make for a great learning moment for both you and your instructor. Your instructor will most likely call your attention to how Wikipedia itself has citations, and that you would do well to follow these citations to the original source.